Gentlemen, you know what everybody wants, especially guys in their 40s, they want bigger arms. But let's face it, not just guys in their 40s, guys in your 30s, 19-year-old kids, you want bigger arms. And when people talk about building bigger arms, they go right for the biceps, but the triceps are 2/3 of your arm. You want big arms, you gotta work your triceps. And one of the number one questions I get asked is, how do I build some bigger, stronger triceps? I'm tired of my triceps looking flat. Well, I'm gonna show you some of my favorite tricep exercises. Now, the first one is the tricep pushdown. And I've talked about these before. They're an isolation exercise. I've made videos how you shouldn't do isolation exercises, all right? But that's to a very specific demographic. That's for the person that doesn't work out. That's for the person that needs to do more functional stuff because they've been seated at a desk for the last 10 years. If you're used to training, if you're watching this video, if you're at the point where you want to build some better triceps, you are a worker-outer, if you will. So isolation exercises do have a place. The tricep pushdown, one of my favorite exercises, all right? Knees slightly bent, core engaged. You're gonna press down, you're gonna flex those triceps as hard as possible. I really, really like the rope. It's a great way to target those triceps, all right? So you're gonna flex, and just a simple tricep pushdown. Honestly, one of my favorite tricep developers of all time. Back to my isolation talk. This isn't the only thing you're gonna do, but you wanna put the cherry on top of that tricep sundae. The tricep pushdown, it is an absolutely fantastic exercise. So that is exercise number one. Step into my office. Exercise number two. One of my favorite tricep developers of all time, and it's also got a certain amount of functionality with it, the dumbbell skull crusher, all right? You're gonna lay on the ground, you're gonna get your dumbbells, you're gonna bend your legs, and you're gonna do dumbbell skull crushers. I like to go all the way to my shoulders for a nice full range of motion, and I like to kick those arms out. Just a simple dumbbell tricep extension. Great exercise. Now I realize I forgot something. I forgot to tell you the actual exercises too. I mean, I showed you the exercises, the actual workout. For the tricep, for the rope that we were doing, I would honestly do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. I like the high rep stuff with triceps. I like to put some acidity in the muscles. I like the burn. You want to make sure that you're hitting failure sometimes between 15 and 20 reps. For the dumbbell skull crushers, same kind of thing. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Use a weight that you can stay super strict. Strict is important with those. And use a dumbbell that's gonna get you to failure somewhere between 15 and 20 reps. While we're down here, I'll show you the next exercise. And it's a variation of the push-up. It's the close grip push-up. I see a lot of people do push-ups out here. They go wide because it puts more emphasis on the chest, all right? I wanna have a narrow grip, all right? Or not a narrow grip, a narrow stance, if you will. So the hands are narrow shoulder width apart. I'm gonna lower myself down. Notice, and this is really important, get nice and close, that the elbows are glued to my sides. That is super, super important. Keep your elbows in, don't flare them out. You're gonna press back up. That's going to put a bunch of stress on the triceps. One of my favorite things to do with this is a 10-to-1 ladder. You're gonna do 10 close grip push-ups, 2, 3. Bobby Maximus, how do I train with you? You're the best trainer in the world. I love your YouTube videos. I want to train with you every single day. Well, I have the solution, and it's called Team Maximus on the Ladder app. The best fitness app on the planet and the best program on the planet. It's right here. Now, what do you get with the Ladder app? Two things I want to talk about. One, you get me in your ear every single workout. You get one-on-one coaching. It's like I'm in the room with you. That's number one. Number two, you get access to a great community, the best community in the world of like-minded people who are driven to succeed just like you are. This program, you can get it for under $30 a month. The workouts can be done in 40 minutes or less, and you need minimal equipment. It literally is the secret that you've been missing. And it's actually not even a secret. You know me. I hate hacks. I hate gimmicks. I hate 3 easy payments of $9.99. So if you're tired of the garbage in the fitness industry, you're tired of spinning your wheels, you're tired of living a second-rate existence, and you're ready to do this for real, you're ready to transform your body, you're ready to build muscle, you're ready to lose weight with one of the best coaches in the world, then sign up for the Ladder app today, and I'll see you there for your first workout. 4, 5, 6. It's amazing how much that targets the triceps. 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to shake it out till you recover. You're going to do 9. You're going to shake it out till you recover. You're going to do 8, all the way to 1. 55 total reps. The next tricep exercise, and it is for the chest as well. And it's an exercise, I've said this before, if you see my videos, I'm going to say it again. A lot of people skip. It's a classic dip. People skip it because it's really, really hard, but it really, really works. You're going to get some parallel bars. You're going to lower yourself till the back of your arms are parallel to the ground. You're going to come back up. You're going to lower yourself till your arms are parallel to the ground. You're going to come back up again. Triceps and chest for days. One of the questions I get a lot is, Bobby, I can't do regular dips. What's my substitute? I love a good bench dip. This is another great isolation exercise for the tricep that you can do everywhere. So if you're working out from home, all you have is a chair or a bench, you can get some good work in. You're going to put your hands on the bench, slightly bend your knees. You're going to go down till those triceps are parallel to the ground. You're going to come all the way back up. I didn't give you the exercise for dips. For dips, I do 3 sets of 10 reps. For these, I would go some real high rep on here. I would go 3 sets to absolute failure for the tricep dip off of a bench. And one more exercise, the kickback. Dumbbells, all right, arms bent, kick the weights back, kind of a little variation of the skull crusher. And you're just going to kick those weights back. Again, for the push downs with the rope, I like the rope the best. 15 to 20 reps. I like the higher rep stuff. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps for the dumbbells for the skull crushers. A 10-to-1 ladder for the push-ups. 3 sets of 10 dips. 3 sets to failure of the tricep dips off of the bench. And for the kickbacks, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps on this. You stack all those tricep exercises up together, I 100% promise you, you will not have flat triceps. You will have the triceps you want and you deserve. Subscribe, smash that like button. We'll see you next time.